Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Coding with Dean. In this video, I'm gonna explain how to make your sprite appear in random positions. So what we're gonna do first is get when flag clicked block. Then to go to looks, go down. We have to. It's in motion, never mind. It's in. So go to random position. So when you just click it, it just goes to random positions. But we don't want to click it every time. So we get a forever block. And after that, if we want to make it hide, we go to looks, get the hide block. And then we go to control where wait block, wait 1 second, and then go back to looks where we go down and press show. So let's make him. Now it looks like, well, this is it. This is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. That would mean a lot to me. Peace.